I'm now going to sing the song through all the way to where we've got to twice. First time following the melody, and then the second time will be with the harmony part. This is part one. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. And buy molasses candy. Butterfly, fly through my window. Butterfly, fly through my window. Butterfly, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. And buy molasses candy. So now this is the second time, and this time I'm going to sing the harmony part. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. And buy molasses candy. Butterfly, fly through my window. Butterfly, fly through my window. Butterfly, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. And buy molasses candy. And then to finish the song off, everybody then joins back together and goes back to the beginning with different words. So this is how the last part of the song goes. Buzzy bee, fly through my window. Buzzy bee, fly through my window. Buzzy bee, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. And buy molasses candy. And then to finish off the song using the backing track, we're just going to sing that last verse all together. And then here's the final part of the song using the different words buzzy bee instead of little bird with the backing track. Buzzy bee, fly through my window. Buzzy bee, fly through my window. Buzzy bee, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. And buy molasses candy. So if you put all of those different parts together, then you will have your final piece, Little Bird, sung with 2-part harmony. Good luck, have the best time learning how to sing in harmony, and have fun. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly baby, play